Class 4, as I told you, factor of a number is a number that divides the number exactly without any remainder. For example, 2 is a factor of 12 because 2 divides 12 exactly. 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2, so 6 is a factor of 12. Similarly, all other numbers that divide 12 exactly are the factors of 12. Let's observe all the factors of 12. 1 into 12 is equals to 12. 2 into 6 is equals to 12. 3 into 4 is equals to 12. 4 into 3 is equals to 12. 6 into 2 is equals to 12. 12 into 1 is equals to 12. It means these all are the numbers which can be divisible by number 12. Therefore, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Keep some of the important points about the factors, that 1 is a factor of every number. It means any number can be divided with the number 1. Every number is a factor of itself. For example, 2 is a factor of 2, 3 is a factor of 3 and 4 is a factor of 4. Every number is a factor of 0. It means when you multiply any number with the number 0, it remains 0. So, every number is a factor of 0. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and itself. It means every number has at least 2 factors, 1 and itself. The number can be divisible by 1. For example, 1 into 3 is equals to 3 and itself 3 into 1 is equals to 3. So, the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Let's see again what are the multiples of a number. The multiple of a number is a number that is obtained by multiplication of that number by some other number. Or we can say that the list of multiples of a number is actually the list of products of that particular number and any whole number. Or in the easiest way, we can say that the multiples of a number are the numbers which comes in the table of a given number. For example, 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 15. So, 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. Let's observe these multiples of number 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 3 elevens are 33 and 3 twelves are 36. So, the first 12 multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and 36. These all are the multiples of number 3. Let's note some of the important points about the multiples. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of itself. 0 is the multiple of every number. Look at the other example. List the first 12 multiples of 4. How you will list out the numbers? By multiplying the numbers one by one with the number 4. 4 into 1 is equals to 4. 4 into 2 is equals to 8. 4 into 3 is equals to 12. 4 into 4 is equals to 16. 4 into 5 is equals to 20. 4 into 6 is equals to 24. 4 into 7 is equals to 28. 4 into 8 is equals to 32. 4 into 9 is equals to 36. 4 into 10 is equals to 40. 4 into 11 is equals to 44. 4 into 12 is equals to 48. So, these all are the first 12 multiples of number 4. Which are these numbers? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44 and 44 are the multiples of number 4. Now class 4, take out your math books and let's start exercise work it out. Question number 1. Write down the first 5 multiples of the following numbers. The first one number is 2. Let's find out the first 5 multiples of number 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So, the first 5 multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, now it's your homework is to do the remaining parts B, C, D, E and F of question number 1 in your notebooks by yourself. Thank you.